we'll guide you through how to make 3D particles in Alight Motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Alight Motion app on your device. Once the app is open, press Create New Project to start a new project. Set your project settings according to your needs, including the resolution, frame rate, and any other project preferences. After selecting the settings, press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Next, press the plus button located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From the available options, add a rectangle shape to your project. Once the rectangle has been added, press the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Stretch to Composition Area. After stretching the rectangle, open the Effects section and press Add Effect. This will open the Effect browser. Inside the Effect browser, use the search function and search for Simple Star Field. Once you find the effect, apply it to the rectangle layer. After adding the Simple Star Field effect, open the Effect settings to begin customizing the particles. Start by adjusting the scale value according to your needs. Continue adjusting the value until you achieve the look you want. Next, go to the Amount setting. Increase the amount value to add more particles to the scene. Raising this value will create a denser particle field, while lowering it will produce fewer particles. After adjusting the amount, move to the particle size setting and change the size of the particles according to your preference. Once you are satisfied with the appearance of the particles, open the Position settings. Turn on the Position keyframe to create an animation. Set the first keyframe with the particles positioned at the front of the rectangle. After creating the first keyframe, move the playhead to the end of the rectangle layer and add a second keyframe. For the second keyframe, locate the Z position value and increase it. Once the particle field moves the way you want, the effect is complete. You have successfully created 3D particles in Alight Motion.